Thank you.
Okay, now we're going to go over to Nancy here, who has a very hungry little boy, Elwin. Now, Nancy, let me ask you, what made you decide to be a volunteer?
Old people are basically, they are usually lonely people, no? I have clients who, no, I mean, they have money, they're rich, but they like company a lot. So usually when I visit them, I realize that I must spend enough time with them, because every time when I rush off, they are very disappointed. So when I heard about this program, and they are actually old, not only old but poor, no, which make it all the more that we should have time for them.
Okay. Now, I understood that you missed out last year on this adoption program.
Oh, last year, yeah, I was, maybe I did not read the memos. I was not aware about the adoption program until I saw it in the newspaper.
So this year you were inspired?
Oh, yes, and I saw the memo coming to us from AIA, encouraging us to adopt these ladies for dinner. Straight away, I told my staff to remind me, that I want to participate this year.
Okay. Now, what have you got in plans for Kwai Che?
Yes, I would like to bring her to the family, where she can spend time with our family and our parents and my in-laws and my brothers. They all will be here.
Okay. Having a big dinner.
Yes, and maybe we like to bring her out as well if she likes.
Okay. Now, I understand you requested for an ama. Is it for him specifically, just for the joy of just holding a baby once more?
Oh yes, yeah. I would like to. I mean, I'm sure she will love to play with our little boy Alvin. No?
Okay. Thank you, Nancy.
Thank you, Vivian.
Now, I'm going to fend off the attacks from this little boy here. But in the meantime, you just stay tuned, because afterwards I'll be visiting another family who's decided to adopt a senior citizen. So stay tuned.
Vivian Gunn with some very caring Singaporeans there.